Very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are hosting episode 5th of Breaking Bread with DMI, and today we have Mr. Sunil Kumar BU, the chairman and CEO of YJ Industries. So it's good to have you at our show, sir. So can you tell us more about your company, YJ Industries?
YJ Group of Industries, I chair as a chairman and CEO. I started this company 10 years back. It's a decade old company. Today, we have spreaded our business in India and globally. We own our manufacturing facilities in India,
Okay.
which takes care of PCB assemblies,
Okay.
wire harnesses, box integrations, panel assemblies, and everything, which is spreaded more than 50,000 plus square feet area.
Okay.
We have a trade business unit in India which
Okay.
is masters into supply chain management
Mhm.
of electronics, electromechanical and mechanical components.
Mhm.
We own our spread in United States of America
Okay.
with our own warehouses
Okay.
which is catering the business in India and globally
Okay.
for small, medium and large scale industries.
Okay.
We are also spreaded our business in United UK, Brazil, and Singapore,
Okay.
where we have our own team who support global companies in India from India.
Okay.
Today, as you guys know very well, startups are being the main source of Indian market, which is spreading to global across the world.
Mhm.
And today, Make in India has made a very beautiful platform to lot of industries to start their businesses, technologies, and everything.
Mhm.
Me, as a 3 decades of experience in supply chain management industry, I
Mhm.
started this business to take care of huge startup companies who are struggling to manufacture their products, to manufacture their to distribute their products within India and globally, and also they are struggling to source the products in the market and the global markets.
Correct.
Today, every startup industry has a problem of funding,
Correct.
money.
Yes.
They have a technology,
Yes.
they have vision,
Yes.
they have a product, but they don't know how to set up their business, how to get the components, how to manufacture the products, how to take the products after manufacturing, how they want to take the products to the global market and an Indian market.
Correct.
Today, because of need of money, many startup industries are running behind venture capitalists
Yes.
where they liquidate their shares, they
Yes.
liquidate their assets, they
Yes.
liquidate their capex
Correct.
to the venture capitals and get the money, and they do not know whether their products is going to be a failure or positive or go to the next level.
Correct.
The end story, many startup companies we see in India today, not only startup, a small, medium and large scale industries we see in India, they close their business because they get the money from the venture capitals at
Yes.
a huge interest,
Yes.
huge values, which they can't able to pay their debts.
Yes.
Their dreams are unfulfilled. Here, YJ Group of Industries is supporting
Okay.
to all these startup companies, small, medium scale industries within India
Okay.
and globally in a different platform.
Okay.
Here, the companies, when they reach us, we have a global IVR system,
Yes.
which you can see the numbers which will be shared to you.
Okay.
This global IVR, if any people, any startup companies or any small and medium scale industries they reach, they can reach to the right people, and we will understand the product, what they are manufacturing, what they are into, on what business they are into.
Okay.
Are they into defense? Are they into aerospace? Are they into oil and gas? Are they into automotive? We can support for everyone. Our team will analyze the product
Okay.
and we will get into the discussions with the board team of the startup companies or small and medium scale industries.
Correct.
Now, every small and medium scale industries, what is they need? Why do they need money?
Yes.
They need money to buy raw material.
Yes.
Second, they need money to set up the manufacturing facility,
Yes.
to set up the infrastructure to produce for the orders what they have.
Correct.
Why do you want to lend the money in the market
Correct.
and put for all these activities to set up everything?
Correct.
Don't do it.
Okay.
We as a company give you a beautiful solution.
Mhm.
We don't lend you money.
Okay.
We lend you raw materials.
Oh, beautiful.
We lend you infrastructure.
Okay.
Now you to produce, you have an orders,
Yes.
you want raw materials to produce the orders,
Correct.
we will evaluate your customers, we
Correct.
will evaluate your value of business,
Correct.
we will supply you, instead of money, we will supply you raw materials.
Okay.
It can be electronics, it can be electromechanicals, it can be mechanicals, it can be any kind of a raw materials you require to produce your product. We supply you as a raw material,
Okay.
where you have straight away satisfied your 40% of your burden.
Correct.
Now, next comes to 20 to 30% of your infrastructural development to produce those products.
Correct.
I don't want you to I don't want you to set up your manufacturing facilities. We have a lavish space in our industry
Okay.
where we can create a small hubs and space for you to produce the parts in our infrastructure, and we will charge you on an a la carte base.
Okay. Whatever use.
Whatever you use,
Okay.
you want 10,000 square feet space, or you want 100 square feet space,
Correct.
or you want 10 square feet space, we will give you. You can use our technology team, you can use our design team, you can use our manufacturing facility to produce your products, and without setting up your infrastructure,
Okay.
we will set up the infrastructure for you as per your needs.
The lines will be done by you.
Dedicated.
Okay.
You want a dedicated lines, we can give you dedicated lines. You want to use in our lines, you can use in our lines. You want a lock and key facility, we can also give a lock and key facility. You want an access control device, we can give an access control device. What we tell is, this is the product in India, no company has launched it, which is called VMF, a virtual manufacturing facility.
Wow.
YG Groups is the only industry has given VMF facility for you
Okay.
to produce your products and take it as an a la carte basis. So your 40% of your raw material investment you are gone, 30% of your infrastructure investment you are gone. Now you have left with 30% of your basic rent, salaries to your employees of technology, your own expenses.
Okay.
If you guys are capable in handling 30% of your expenses, 70% we are going to invest for you.
Correct.
You, no need to liquidate your shares.
Correct. Okay. The company owns everything.
You own everything of your.
You come as a partner to help them to,
Absolutely.
Okay.
Now, after doing all this, your products are successful in the market.
Correct.
Now, you require supply chain global distribution
Yes.
platforms. YJ Industries again pitch you back.
Yes.
We will give you the we will take care of your distribution.
Correct.
We will do the warehouse management. We will do the global exports and imports of your products.
Okay.
We will take care of after sales market.
Yes.
If you pitch into YJ Group of Industries, starting from buying of component till to the promotion of your product, our team takes care.
So one thing comes to my mind is one-stop shop for all your manufacturing needs.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Now, after we do this services, we are seeing a lot of crowd coming to us to cater to take our services in India. We have not stopped this service only in India. We have given this service across the globe.
Okay. And as a chairman and as a leader of the company, how do you pick and choose a startup? Let's say 100 startup comes to you. You must be a method of analyzing. Okay, because at the end of the day, you also want to be associated with people who have one is serious, and B, the product has to fit for the market. So how do you look at those startups?
See, since we are an experienced business professionals in India and global market, the moment any startup or small and medium scale industries comes to us, we just blindly don't get into. We do analyzation of their products. We also give suggestions. Somebody will come and say, I want to produce this product. We don't disappoint them and say that no, this product cannot, we cannot support it.
Correct.
Why cannot support? We will tell them the Indian demand and the global demand is talking for this.
Yes.
We will support you to ramp up your product.
Correct.
We will support you to ramp up your product.
Correct.
We will take care of your business in very professional way. Our technical team, technology teams takes care very good for you within India and globally. And we also set our banks to support
Oh.
the infrastructure, whatever required in a designed phase. When you are working with us as a supply chain partners or a solution, in India, no one is giving the solution without liquidating your stake.
Correct.
But we are the company giving you. Please use us. We can mentor you. We can give you the infrastructure. We can invest on raw material. We can take up your business to the next level in India and global markets.
And my last question to wrap it up: uh, one, where is your facility? B, how can they reach out to you?
Okay. One, our infrastructures are available spreaded across India. Okay. We have one facility in Bengaluru,
Okay.
we have one facility in Chennai, and we have three facilities which is upcoming, one in Pune, one in Maharashtra, and one in Kochi.
Okay.
Okay. How can people reach us? We will share the global IVR number
Okay.
to you, and the moment they dial to our global IVR number, they can reach me directly. Our numbers are displayed, which you can reach us as 958 7647 687. I will repeat again, 958 7647 687. Please reach us. We are the best partners for you.
Thank you, Mr. Sunil, for giving your time in such a busy schedule in this trade show. We wish you many success, and I like your concept because I'm looking at this manufacturing from a media side. It's a very good proposition for startup, especially when people, like you rightly said, they look for investment and their product has to be developed, manufacturing, lot of hassle, and everything is a manufacturing itself is a cost oriented market.
Absolutely.
And your solution VMF looks fantastic to me. We wish you many success and look forward to see you soon, sir. Have a
Thank you.
great day.
Thank
Thank
you
you,
so
sir.
much.